In this short video, I'll show you how to connect your Airtable in N8N. For this one, we'll add the Airtable node and place it here, basically, next to the Start manual. Just click the plus sign and we'll input Airtable. There you go. Just press it. And choose any action that you're looking for. As for me, I'll set an example for get a record. Now that we're here, we need to input our credentials. So go ahead and press create new credentials and will ask us for a token, basically. So the only way for us to access a token is to go to our Airtable account. I have mine right here. If you go to the right side, click your profile and go to account. That should redirect you to your account. Scroll all the way down until you get to the API section right here. Just don't pay attention to the warning, if you will. You can still create your token. Go to the Go to Developer tab, a hub. Go and press that one. Give it a sec, and it should redirect you to here, the API key. At the right side, go ahead and click Create Token. Give it a sec to load, and basically create as a token. Create token. Name any token you'd like. As for me, I'm just gonna put an example. The scope of your token and how do you want it to do. For me, I'll just data, records, and read. There you go. Create token. It has provided us the token. Copy it, go back to your N8N and paste it here. Click save, and that's basically it. Once you've done so, you can just go ahead and do whatever data thing that you need to do for your Airtable. Something like choosing here and choosing here as well for the table. As for me, since I don't have any sort of data in my Airtable, so it doesn't really show anything right here. But this is basically what you need to do. You need to base, record, and among other operations like create or update. Now you know how to connect Airtable in N8N. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.